Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channel Jarwo Songha. Pada video kali ini saya akan kembali mengajak Anda semuanya untuk mendengarkan kisah adopsi Sonny. Nah, Sonny ini adalah salah satu anak adopsi dari Pemalang, Jawa Tengah yang diadopsi ke Belanda. Menurut penuturan Sonny, dia adalah anak terakhir dari Indonesia yang diadopsi ke Eropa. Karena setelah tahun 1983, tidak ada lagi bayi-bayi dari Indonesia yang diadopsi ke Belanda. Bagaimanakah kisah proses adopsi Sonny sampai ke Belanda? Dan bagaimanakah kisah pertemuan Sonny dengan ibu kandungnya pada tahun 2011? Tentunya kalian penasaran dong. Nah, untuk video pertemuan Sonny dengan ibu kandungnya, saya sudah upload beberapa waktu yang lalu. Tapi kalau kalian susah untuk mencarinya, silakan kalian cek video saya yang sudah saya upload kemarin. Di situ ada di kolom komentar di bagian paling atas, di situ sudah saya sematkan, begitu juga di bagian deskripsi. Inilah proses adopsi Sonny ke Belanda bagian ketiga. Selamat mendengarkan.
And then what the word, the first word you say with your mother?
Saya memaafkan Anda. I forgive you.
Oke, saya memaafkan Anda.
Ya.
Itu terlalu resmi nggak sih bahasanya? More officially Indonesian. Saya memaafkan kamu gitu kali ya. Saya memaafkan.
Saya memaafkan kamu.
Oh gitu ya. Tapi
Ya.
memang kalau Anda itu like formal.
Ya.
But kamu juga not polite. I think.
Yeah, but because she's my mother, she's older, so I guess officially, how would you say that? If you say to your mother, "I forgive you," would you say, "Saya memaafkan kamu"?
Ibu.
Atau
saya memaafkan ibu? I think more polite.
Yeah, I think that should be the one. So, saya memaafkan ibu ya.
Okay, yeah, okay. And then what ibu answer?
No, she wasn't able to speak after I said that. She was instantly crying, and we fell into each other's arms. And I think that was okay. I didn't need a response. I think that was the perfect response.
Beautiful moment.
A beautiful moment, yes.
Okay. 2011, you meet with them in Jakarta.
Yeah.
And then in the same years, you goes to Pemalang.
Yes, 2 days after that. Actually, some people of they were there at the first meeting in Jakarta, and they traveled with us to Jawa Tengah 2 days later. We stayed in a hotel in Tegal. It's close to Pemalang, maybe 1 hour away from that, because at that time I couldn't speak Indonesian, so we needed some people in order to help us. We know the way, so Sally Tomeu and her driver were accompanying us to Java 2 days later, and it was that moment when I first came to the kampong di Pemalang to meet my mother again, because she lived there, and my 3 sisters were there as well, and of course my brother. So I met my sisters there for the first time, and well, the rest of the family.
Wow. Yeah. You like Indonesia? You like kampung?
Yes. It feels very natural to me. It feels like home. I cannot describe that in other words. Even though I was not born, even though I never lived in a kampong before and never seen a kampong before, when I first came there, and I still have that same feeling when I come there now. It's my home. It's where my mother was born, where her parents were born, and there's a lot of family of my mother. So for instance, when I come to my sister's house, my mother lives there as well now because she changed houses. The whole gang, the whole street is family overall. It's all family.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, very interesting. So, all the people in the village visit your houses, mother houses, when you
Yes, when I came first to the kampong, there were, well, maybe 100 people. I don't know. They were all waiting for us to come to see me and my Dutch mother walking towards the house. And yeah, when the door opened, I saw my 3 sisters for the first time. And well, as you well can imagine, it was a very emotional moment again. And there were a lot of sisters and brothers from my mother as well. So the whole house, it was full. It was packed with people outside the house. A lot of people were watching through the windows.
Okay.
We didn't have any privacy, but it's okay. It felt very heartwarming to be welcomed like that. It's one of, I think it's one of the most beautiful moments in my life. Yes.
Okay. How long you live in village?
At that time, after meeting with my family, we drove back to the hotel in Tegal. We slept there for a night, and my family, the next day, they came over from Pemalang to Tegal, and we went to the beach. I didn't stay over in the kampong that time.
Oh. Now, if you back to in Indonesia, you always sleep and stay in your mother houses.
Yes. In 2013, I came to Indonesia for the second time, but was the first time I came alone. I stayed there for 2 months, and it was the first time that I ever slept in a kampong to get to know my family better, to get to know my mother better, and to establish a really deep connection with my family, with my sisters, and with my brother. And it was a very powerful experience. I didn't speak Indonesian at that time, so I just came there and I had to learn everything from the start about daily life, about how to wash, about how to dress some proper clothing, how to eat with my hands, for instance. I never done that before.
Wow, great, nice. Okay, are you happy live in Holland?
I think I have the privilege to be a child of both worlds, and I think by now I well integrated both parts of my identity, the Dutch part and the Indonesian part. I integrated them well in my life, and I think I lead a very happy life here in the Netherlands. But if you would ask me a straight question, what is your home country? Where do you feel most happy? Well, I got a clear answer for you. It's Indonesia.
Okay, you want to live in Indonesia maybe sometime.
Yeah, for sure. I don't know where my life will go. I don't know what will happen. But one thing I'm very sure of, there will be a time and a moment when I come to Indonesia and stay there forever.
Oh, forever?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yes.
Welcome to Indonesia.
Sebenarnya saya tinggal di Belanda dari kecil, ya. Tapi di dalam hati, perasaannya, saya yakin saya masih orang Indonesia.
Oke, jadi pingin tinggal di Indonesia?
Iya.
Selamanya?
Selamanya.
Wow, welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you.
And then you married here?
sekarang saya tidak punya pacar, saya belum pernah kawin. Aku sudah bilang sama keluarga saya di sana. Saya ingin mencari istri orang Indonesia asli.
Oke. Wow, kamu ingin mencari istri orang Indonesia asli.
Yes.
Why?
Why? First of all, because I think they're very beautiful. And what is very important to me, I want to have a partner in life, a wife who understands the Indonesian culture, because it reminds me of what I appreciate most. It reminds me of my home. It reminds me of my country. She has an understanding of how life in Indonesia is, how the people are there. So I don't have to explain anything. I think it's very natural to have a wife. And
but in Holland, beautiful girl. In Indonesia, people want to marry with bule. Why you want marry with Indonesia people?
I don't know why. It's just the other way around. I know most Indonesian girls or women are dreaming of marrying a European man to come to Europe to have a life there. For me, it's just the other way around. I cannot explain why. It's some feeling I have. I would prefer an Indonesian wife because
Okay, I believe now you back to Indonesia, you have good looking, so you can very easy forget the Indonesian woman.
Yeah.
Now back to Indonesia. Now.
Okay. I will try to do my best. Maybe I can come to Indonesia next year so we can meet. Come to Sumatra for sure.
Wow, welcome to Sumatra. I'm in Sumatra. We can meet.
Yeah, I would love that.
Yeah. Okay, this is very interesting talking with you, and I don't know no more time is over, but I like it. You busy today? Are you busy today?
No, just relax. I think I'll have a cup of coffee with Yanni. Most of the time we're on the couch watching some TV or film or just talking, because we can talk with each other for hours and hours on end. So no, there are not really set plans. I travel back to my home this evening, and well, as you well may know, Friday I had a very important test with the police, so I'm actually a little bit of nervous for the results. Because if I pass, there's a very big chance I can join the police force in the Netherlands. But if I fail, well, that dream might well be over.
Or maybe like Andre, become the police.
Yeah.
Oh, the same institution.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Great. I pray that you to be success.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah. Okay, Mas Sonny. And then, so you in Holland, you live alone in houses?
Right now, I'm living with my parents again, because I lived alone for a period of time, but I came back to my parents' house, and even though I'm already almost 40, it feels very warm and great to have my parents around. But my plan is to find a place of my own again within 1 year or two.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I will ask about the Indonesia. Okay, because you want married with Indonesian girl, and then maybe Indonesian girl more interesting with you and the bule like that. Okay, you maybe here in Indonesia, when you come to Indonesia, you ever try meet with some girl here? Maybe
No,
brother? No?
no, not yet. No.
Oh, so if you come Indonesia, you just meet with your brother and sister, and then talking sometime with some people like that.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah, I come. They already know that I want to find an Indonesian wife or girlfriend, but I never actively searched to meet someone or to date someone. I think I will do that the next time when I come to Indonesia, maybe to register on a dating site or something like that. But for now, I didn't have the opportunity or maybe bravery because, well, I'm a little bit insecure because my Indonesian is not, I cannot speak Indonesian very well right now. So I will do a language course to learn the language better, so to be more confident to be in contact with Indonesian people or to actually date someone over there.
Oh, good. A good idea. I know. Okay.
Oke deh guys, itu dia kisah Mas Sonny, anak Indonesia yang diadopsi ke Belanda dan sudah berhasil menemukan keberadaan orang tua kandungnya. Dan di kisah ketiga kali ini, bagian ketiga dari Mas Sonny itu masih mengharu biru kisahnya. Kalau kalian masih penasaran dengan bagaimana sih proses awalnya, kalian bisa menonton video part pertama, part kedua tentang Mas Sonny. Terima kasih sudah menonton video kali ini. Buat kalian semuanya yang punya informasi-informasi serupa, mungkin di antara rentang tahun 1970-an sampai 1980-an, ada orang tua kalian, nenek atau ibu kalian yang pernah melahirkan bayi, dan kemudian bayinya diserahkan kepada beberapa yayasan dan kemudian diadopsi ke Belanda. Boleh banget informasi ke aku, mudah-mudahan aku bisa wawancara dengan mereka. Nggak, mungkin bisa via online atau langsung kalau memang berada di kawasan Lampung. Terima kasih sudah menonton video kali ini. Semoga video kali ini bermanfaat untuk Anda semuanya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen channel Jarwo Songha. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.